Hi guys, another rundown and we'll have a look at some more bits and pieces that have come in. What I will tell you first though is we've been getting information on Hong Kong Model's new 148 scale Lancaster. That is due for release on the 8th of March. We're hoping we should see it by mid to late March. It's got two choices of markings in it, one of them being POS, which is the RAAF one. The kit looks good so far from the pictures and drawings, but as usual, until we get the plastic in our hands before we can have a really good look at it. We should also have the B-17F landing in the next few days, probably next week or so. So if you're looking for that or waiting for it, look out for it. It should be here soon. But to continue on, we have had some more kits from Kitty Hawk. This is their SH60 series that they've been releasing or have just come out with. This is the F model, this is the Ocean Hawk. Now all these have different things in each one to do the different versions obviously. So this is the Ocean Hawk, this is the MH60S, and then this is the SH60B. Now these three, there's also the SH60R. The B model is the basis for the Australian one, but the R is actually much closer to the Australian one. It's got more of the avionics and things like that. There's still a few bits and pieces that you're going to have to either make yourself or do yourself, because ours are again slightly different. The R is in stock. If you jump online or come into the stores, you should be able to pick up one pretty quickly. But if you're just looking for SH60s, these are really, really nice. Also from them is a reissue of the Mirage F1b. Also, this is the new 48 scale F101b. This is the two-seater Voodoo. That's just come in. And we've also just got the SU27 Flanker B. The bits and pieces I've read so far on this is quite nice, but it is another SU27. It's Kitty Hawk's version of it. So if you're looking for that next kit, there's some nice markings in it, things like that. 5 choices of markings. So yeah, so if you're looking for a good SU27, you like Kitty Hawk stuff, that'd be the one to do. From there, that's about it for today, and I will talk to you soon. As I said, look out for that Lancaster. We have got it up on our webpage on pre-order, so jump in and grab it. Talk to you again. See you next week. See ya. Bye.